Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon and I want to show you this vehicle here. This is a vehicle that Hobby brought out some time ago, and it does say prototype there. Yeah, I know, I saw that, but the layout's never been copied. It's nearly 90,000 euros. It's 740 centimeters long, and well, let's have a look. So we've got a sitting group, we've got the kitchen, we have got the bed here, and let's come to the back. Sorry, I can't open this. No. And this is the rear washroom. Now, it says prototype. Okay, it's a bit different from the ones before, but only in cosmetic ways. I mean, the sink wasn't one of these sinks. But what the advantage of this, of course, is it gives you this really big washroom at the rear. And that, I think, is something which must be really attractive for many people. I think of the French bed layout as being one which is more suitable for older people who maybe not quite so physically capable as they used to be, and as a result it has the advantage of getting easy access to the bed from one side. Now you may say, well, the queen bed is a little less accessible. I would say you don't have such a wide corridor in most models. Also comes with this sort of a sideboard here, and with storage down there as well. Window to look out of, and window here. Now, the previous models, there was one model had a at the top, it was like a glass window. It wasn't glass, I presume it must have been perspex or whatever it is, but a plastic. But it looked really very attractive, and I'll give you a link to it. Yeah, but this is going back a few years now. But I thought it looked good, and then replaced it with something like they've done here with this with the storage compartments. And so that's what you've got there, storage like that, ledge here, you can charge your phones up from there. Oh no, it's also giving a Type-C USB. You know, I think it's about the first time I've seen one of them in a motorhome. We can turn the lights on from here. Oh, we should be able to anyway. Oh yeah, no, look at that. Yeah, we can do. And there you go, rather attractive. I notice here we've got this wardrobe. You always get a large wardrobe with this layout. Okay, corner kitchen here, 3 burners, hobs from Cannes, looks very attractive. Below that we've got the kitchen block with drawers, preparation space. We've got the sink. We've got here a drawer which isn't very deep, and you'll see the reason for that when we go outside. And ledge up there, storage all the way around. Fridge which opens 2 ways. Storage up here. And there's a curtain to go around the bed, rather thin curtain. Oh, I think I'd want something a bit thicker than that, to be honest. Not around the bed, sorry, around the bedroom. So it goes to around there. And coming back to the front, look, skylights, table, lots of space around here. The side bed layout generally tends to give you lots of sitting space. So you can 2 people up there, 3, 4, 5, 7 people sitting around the table, something like that. I know there's a question, what do you want 7 people sitting around a table when you've only got a sleeping space for 2 and 4 belted positions? Well, yes, okay, well maybe I accept the argument. The carpet has been put here to protect it during the trade fair. If you bought it, you would get it, and if you that's the sort of thing you want. I've got a carpet in my vehicle which is still rolled up and in the back, and this winter I'm going to try it out, see how well it works. I've got a double floor though in mine, which so I don't really need to keep it that warm. Nice door with a window in it, and something clever around here. This, I don't know why more companies aren't using these things. I don't think this isn't unique to Hobby, but I think it's really clever. Look, these are magnets. You can see how it, and then oh, you gotta pull. It doesn't want to come off. Look, I've got to give it a good yank to get it to come away. Storage here, and that's under the bed. The cover, this thing, that's a clapping mass. It's 51 centimeters by 90 centimeters. I'll have a walk around. And that's for your toilet. And this is the reason why the storage isn't as long as it's locked. So you've got your gas in there, and it's a pull-out system to make it easy to put the gas canisters on it. I'll show you another vehicle with it's also a prototype, and it's also got a French bed. Or it says it's a prototype. It doesn't mean to say that it is a prototype, or it doesn't mean to say it won't be available. Coming here. So here we've got a bigger lounge, side kitchen, and there's the French bed. But the bathroom is here and here. There you go. There's the bathroom. So that's the difference between the two. This vehicle comes at a cost of around 75,000, something like that. Depends on the equipment levels, as always with all vehicles. So there you have it. Rear washroom, French bed from Hobby. Now, I'd be the first to say that wouldn't actually suit me, but I do appreciate that there are other people that it might actually suit. You can incidentally there make a bed in the front as well. That's possible. It comes with a 12-year water ingress guarantee. That's not to say that the guarantee is that the water will ingress for 12 years. It means to say it won't ingress for 12 years. And obviously with guarantees you've got to read the terms, because there's things that can break them very easily, and like all insurance things, that's what they're thinking of. Anyway, good. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Upload every 2015, and all the best from me in Germany.